If beggars were choosers. I had a novel idea. Check it out. If beggars were choosers, they'd never become beggars. Now, y'all know I sleep outside, right? Check it out. I'm gonna make this real short and sweet for you. Check it out. If I was a chooser in the past, I would never be, quote unquote, a beggar right now. Well, I'm not a beggar, you see? And that's why I'm never gonna be a beggar again. That's why I am gonna be financially free. That is why I changed my name to Liberty v. Justice, because I know that I have choices. Choices in my emotions, choices in my mindset, choices in what I wanna do in life. And no, it's nothing worth achieving is ever easy, right? Nothing ever having, being, or achieving has ever been easy, okay? Especially when you go against the masses and you start saying no because you start to piss people off. But you know what? I never chose in the past. The less I have to hold on to physically, the less possessions, the more I become. And the more I become, the more I have to give to our most valuable resource, which is people. So, thank you.
You're worth it. Subscribe.